Hello, everybody. I tried to tell my girlfriend that she snores, but she didn't believe me. I'm finna catch her for the first time. I'm finna catch her, and I'm gonna show her this. So, plug your ears. There she go, right there. Can't see it, but listen to her. I told y'all she was loud. She didn't believe me though, but she got proof.